There are a few people in my university who I do not necessarily consider friends of mine. They work with me as peer mentors in this program. We occasionally converse, but I don't have them on social media. A few weeks ago, they got my number from the group chat we are all in and began messaging me constantly. They are nice people, so I didn't mind. They have recently invited me to dinner with them a few times, and I have attended every single time. However, a few days ago, they asked me to go to the cinema with them, and I couldn't as I had previous plans with a friend. However, the plans fell through, so I agreed to go to the cinema with them. Then yesterday I found out they prayed I would come, which was so weird to me, so I made an excuse and did not go. Am I the asshole? One of them is also very weird with me, which makes me feel more uncomfortable to be around them all.